sa mainit na pakpak ni Sir sa iyang turnover message.
Ano siya ng S sa SPTA, sir?
Po?
Ano siya ng S sa
So, proceed na
SPTA?
rin ikaw una sa
SPTA.
ribbon cutting ceremony.
S.
So, tawago na po
Society?
outgoing officers and we have teachers together with our school principal for the ribbon cutting.
Kung nabutang mo sa ano, JPTA
project.
na po. Wala.
Sige, sige. School, parents, school.
Ngayong hapon sa tanan, to our visitors, parents, teachers, students, likewise our visitors from Philippine Red Cross. On behalf of the outgoing SPTA officers 20, 23, 20 for being the president, I officially turn over the stage to the school to our very competitive principal, Mr. Berkasio.
In behalf of the Chuk National High School family, we humbly accept this project and we owe this to the school of SPTA officers of school year 2023-2024. This is just one of the many projects that they have last year. And most especially the support given to our students during different competitions, the activities that we have, the program, projects, and activities, accomplishment. And we're so very thankful because of that, only our school have represented in the Palarong Pambansa, with the support also of the local government unit, the SPTA, and everybody. You parents especially. Thank you very much.